Hello guys, today I am getting the Petal wand in Beast Worm Simulator. I've been working up for this for quite a while now. Plus I've been working up for the enzymes for like a day or yeah, I was working up for them yesterday and today. And they also got the diamond sprinklers right there. So I just need to make my last enzyme. I have 74 enzymes and it costs 75 enzymes. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Probably not. But I just gotta go ahead and craft this last one. Confirm. Speed up. I'm not waiting for 5 minutes just for this. Or just for that. Why make I feel like why do I feel like I'm getting way more tickets than usual? Not speak. Okay. So now just go ahead and grab them. So I have one spirit petal, 10 star jellies, 25 glitter, and 75 enzymes. So I'll craft this. Whew. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Okay, let's go and try this out on the coconut field now. So, let's go and read some stuff from it real quick. Just so I can learn, like, what it does. So, collect, hold on, let me go and grab this festive gift. Where'd that guy just come from? Sure, I see that guy coming from everywhere. Collect 5 pollen and 37 patches in 0.7 seconds and boost it by 100%. So does it do like 2 times pollen? Every third swing, a petal shuriken that causes bees to instantly convert pollen. Okay. I had no idea that it did that. So if I hit my bees with that, does that make... So, do I have to hit my bees with that? Oh my god, that gives me so much. Okay, so if I hit them, then it instantly converts pollen. I should just go ahead and see how much it gives me from dandelion. Oh yeah, it does quite a bit. So let's see if it does anything. Okay, yeah, that gives me way more. Like, basically like 3 times more from mushroom field, I believe. That's pretty cool having that. And I finally got the King Beetle charm, which has taken me absolutely forever. Now, here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do something. Well, there's one more thing that I'm gonna get, and it's one of the planners, so if I can go ahead and grab this. Ooh, 9 gingerbread, that's quite a lot, for me at least. Now, I've been needing to go ahead and buy this for quite a while. Now I will have 10 caustic wax. And if we go and scroll all the way down here, here it is. Ooh, okay, let's go ahead and just go ahead and oh yeah. You might be seeing me do a crime right now, but it takes forever to get magic beans. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. It has to be done. $500 tickets down the drain. I think it should be. Yep, exactly 500. Okay, so it's this one right here. This big green one. Oh. Totally forgot that I needed some honey for that. So, I guess I will have to either do a time lapse of me getting honey, or I just skip straight to it. Okay guys, I am done with the gathering of the 750 honey. That's nice. Okay, I just need to go up there and buy it so then I can go ahead and get it. I'm sorry for my crime. I know I'll do something stupid. I've already bought stingers, so I've already done 2 crimes. Because I just want to get everything as soon as I can. Okay, I can finally get this item. Okay, so in about 10 hours, geez, stores around 200 million pollen. Ooh, yeah. Grants bonus bitter berries and neon berries. Grows 30% faster and grants plus 50% pollen on harvest in the 5 bees. Oh, that's nice. Bees with mutations are 25% more likely to sip nectar from this. Okay. Grants plus 30% satisfying and motivating nectar. Okay. Let's go and craft this. Yeah, I can just go ahead and, let's go and just climb this after I kill these guys. And then claim. Yes, I do not care right now. Okay. Let's go and just claim all my stuff I got and let's go and just get these guys real quick. And then let's go and just put down. Wait, hold on. Faster in the 5B zone. Okay. Let's go and place that in a spider field. Yay. I'm gonna kill the spider. Look at it. That's nice. I really like the little details. It even sticks out. Surprised I want to put that much work into it. What happens if I just harvest it? Like right now. Will I even get anything from it? You know, I'm trying it. Okay, and I got barely any of that. Okay. I was just curious. Hopefully we don't have like some sort. Wait, hold on. Let's go and see. Okay, I just gotta get like the 0.1. Where's that? Let's go ahead and wait until it gets 0.1. Okay, should be able to get 0.1. And let's go and see how much. So I have 1122. Okay, it gives me 2 minutes worth. Okay. I was just curious on what it would give me. But, I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And, check out the video on your right to see, me, defeating a legendary sprout that I planted. And go ahead and go on the left if you want to see my first mythic egg. And bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.